Let's take a look at this 22-inch Inlight industrial styled caged ceiling fan with LED bulbs. It comes very well packaged and organized in a nice large box. It comes with all the hardware required to install the ceiling fan, apart from the tools, of course. It also comes with a very detailed and easy to follow instruction booklet. Inside you have a nice overview diagram as well as detailed step-by-step instructions on how to put this together and finally mount it on the ceiling. We are going to replace this really old-fashioned boob light with this nice new modernized ceiling fan. Removing the old fixture was simple enough. You just had to unscrew the main cover and remove the couple of screws. Make sure you turn off and test that there is no voltage before working on anything in your home. Apart from turning off the switch itself, I highly recommend that you go and turn off the breaker as well. Here is the ceiling with the old fixture removed. As you can see, I have ground wiring as well as my hot and neutral wires. You want to make sure that your bracket is in good condition and mounted well so that it can hold up additional weight. I start off by removing the new mounting bracket from the canopy. I then make sure that this new bracket works well with my current mount. And it worked perfectly. I then proceed to install the fan blades. There are 3 of them, each requiring 2 screws. I used the box that the fan came in to work on assembling this fan. Next, I installed the light kit. This part was easy. All I had to do is click into place 2 wires and position the light kit over the fan motor. After that, you have to just put in 3 screws to lock it into place. Next, you place the fan motor cover over the fan motor, as well as the upper cage cover. They both slip into place and you're ready to lock it down with some screws. It takes 6 screws to lock this one down, and all you need to do is line up all the holes and screw it into place. Next, we install all 3 of these awesome filament LED light bulbs. These bulbs are really awesome because they are as efficient as an LED light bulb. However, they are made to look just as awesome as the old school halogen bulbs. Now let's go ahead and place the lower cover and lock it down with a few screws. We are almost ready to mount this on the ceiling, but there's a few more things left to do. We need to install the down rod, the canopy, and the yoke cover. We slip all the wires through these 3 parts and get it ready to be screwed onto place. This part is a little tricky and I had to look at the manual a few times to really figure it out. Now the whole thing is ready to be hung from the ceiling. Once I hang it at the ceiling, I am free to work on the wiring. Now there's a lot of wires to connect and this may take a while, but be patient and keep working at it and you'll eventually be done. As you can see, there isn't all that much space up there. You're going to need a nice tall ladder to get to the very top and keep your hands as horizontal as possible so that they don't get tired. After a few minutes of working, I got all of the wires connected together and I'm ready to install the final canopy to cover it all up. But before we place the canopy, let's go ahead and give this a test. I grabbed the remote, install a couple of batteries that were included, and I'm ready to give it a try. This remote has a lot of features, including dimming and the timers. Well, here we go. Let's hope we wired everything up together correctly. Great, and the lights turn on. Now let's give the fans a try. There we go. They are spinning. As you can see, this is a very modern looking light. Depending on your decor and your furniture, this ceiling fan might be just what you need. Now let's go over the pros and cons. It has great lighting, powerful fans, and a lot of features. However, it does have a couple of cons. The spinning blades cause the lights to look like they are flickering, and the fan motor is not as silent as some of the other fans I've tried in the past. However, if you are willing to overlook those 2 issues, I think this is a great fan, and it looks really cool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.